Jai Srimanarayana. 19th sloka from 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mudhagrahena Atmano Yat Pidaya Kriyate Tapaha Parasya Utsadanardham Va Tattamasam Vudahrutam Om. Make sure the pujas you are performing, the austerities you are practicing should be free from causing pain and suffering to others, and make sure it is free from self-torture, and also make sure you have a proper understanding about the puja that you are doing, the austerity you are practicing. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall make sure that whatever the puja that I am doing, whatever the austerity that I am practicing is always free from causing a pain and suffering to others, and it is free from my own self-torture, and before I do, I shall gain proper understanding about the puja that I am doing and about the austerity that I am going to practice. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn the Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatarajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham. Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshit Narendra," Paramasiva saying to Parvati Devi like this, "O Bhavani, if we do help others, Sriman Narayana will be pleased, and with that entire universe will be happy, and I will also be happy. That is why now I would like to drink this poison which is going to be causing danger to all the living entities." When Paramasiva said like that, Parvati Devi, Prabhava Jnanva Modata, knowing Paramasiva's great efficiency, she gave her permission, gave her consent. Mringedu Vadu Vibhundani Mringedidu Garalamaniyu Melani Prajakun Mringumane Sarva Mangala Mangala Sutrambu Nenta Madinamminado. She said, she gave her consent to Paramasiva. Immediately Paramasiva Visham Abhakshayat Mahadevaha Tatah Karatali Krutya Krupaya Bhuta Bhavanaha. Then Paramasiva got all that poison into his hands, and then he drank that one. The poison which came out from Kshirasagaram, that was a very severe poison. With that severe effect, it tainted Paramasiva's throat with bluish. So that also become Neelam Tacha Sadhoho Vibhushanam Neelakantha. Then Paramasiva became Neelakantha. That also is looking like an ornament to Paramasiva. Paramasiva, the poison which was spreaded all over, with his great power, he brought all that Visham to one place, and he got all that poison into his hands, and then he drank that one. So all the great people helping others becomes an ornament. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Parikshit Narendra. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 19th sloka. Modhagrahenatmano yat pidaya kriyate tapaha parasya utsadanardham va tattamasamudahrutam. Modhagrahena atmano yat pidaya kriyate tapaha parasya utsadanardham va tattamasamudahrutam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.